The Umphakathi Waruna Party is calling for improved management and tightening security at White City Jabavu Stadium in Soweto. This is following reports of vandalism and theft at the facility. The party Ward Councillor, 37 Ward Councillor candidate Xolani Madiba says the lack of adequate security has left the stadium vandalized to further criminal activity and damage. Madiba has urged the city of Johannesburg to deploy security personnel, saying protecting recreational facility is essential to keeping young people involved in sport and away from substance abuse and other social ills.
Kushiya udangela umphakathi ukubona ukucekeleka phansi kwengqalasizinda eyakhelwa ukuzothuthukisa intsha. Lawa kube ngamazwi kaXolani Madiba lapho kabenxusa khona umasipala wedolobha iGoli ukuthi ke usukumele inkundla yezemidlalo eseWhite City Jabavu esiphenduke inkundla emlutha ezidakamizwa nobugebengu.
We are concerned. I'm concerned as a councillor candidate with the issues of service delivery, which is not being attended to. Number two, I'm also concerned about the infrastructure which has been damaged by one of our members in the community. So my plea to the government to save this stadium before it gets worse, because as you can see, the damages are going on and going on. No one is saying anything. Even the ward councillor does not say anything about the stadium.
Madiba uthi ke izakhiwo ezinjengalezi yizona ezinamandla okuqoqa intsha okuthi ke uma zicekeleka phansi intsha iphalale ize igcina ke isingena shi ezidakamizweni.
There's no security at all. In other parks we see that we've got the city of Johannesburg securities, but in this one we do not have them. We tried making an inquiry from the councillor and also other stakeholders. No one wants to account, so they are taking us back and forth. So we've decided to make this so that the message can go out, so that those who are in power should come and save the stadium. As we speak, we've got kids who are using this place to use to come and smoke drugs and also do other criminal activities. So if we have our kids playing soccer here and their material has been stolen, they'll end up doing the same thing, because now the services that which they were provided are no more.
Kanti ke phakathi kokunye ukuqapheleke kule ndawo yimigwaqo engenela emakhaya engekho neze isimene esihle nayo ke banga ukukhulu ukukhala emphakathini. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kube komqondisi Miyeni ngeSewhite City Jabavu.